Hello guys, my name is Sakodi. In this video, I'll show you how you can change your Instagram account's password on your computer. So to start, my computer, you can click on any browser of your choice. I'll click Chrome browser. Then the address where I type Instagram website. Then I log in with my Instagram username and password. Then I click on login. Log into my Instagram account to change my password. This is my Instagram web portal. So to change my password, I click on more, and I click on settings. Or you can choose your profile picture. Click on it. Then you go to settings beside your profile picture. Then you click on change password. Or you can go to more. Then you go to settings. And go to change password. Then you enter your new password that you want to use. So you type the old password, that you type the new password that you want to use as your Instagram password. I'm typing my old password, and I type the new password that I would like to use. Then I click on confirm. Type the same password as confirm my password. I click new password. This will change my Instagram password on my computer. Now I've changed my Instagram password. I'll try and log out. And I log in, and I type the new password that I use. I click on login to log into my Instagram accounts. I've logged into my Instagram web portal. Thank you for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe to this channel by clicking the bell icon to receive an update anytime I upload new video. And if the video has helped you, you can click on share, comment. Thank you.